Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to get and use promo codes on Pocket Option. So this process is very simple. So how to use promo codes before you will get them. You need to click your profile icon in the top right, then go to the withdrawal. And right here in the top menu, you need to go to the promo code section right here. And here's the place where you need to enter the promo code. You can go to the Google and just simply write this keyword inside the Google search, Pocket Option promo codes. And I suggest you to use the first website, which is called Wethrift. So you can open this first result and you can see there are a lot of promo codes. You can read the descriptions and you need to click the copy code right here. For example, let's copy this one and the code will be copied. They will suggest you to add the extension to Chrome, but I don't need it. Let's go back to the Pocket Option and let's paste the promo code we just copied. Then click the check button right here. But as you can see, promo code is not available at the moment. So in this case, we need to find another code. For example, let's try this one. Let's click copy. Let's go back and paste another code and click the check button. As you can see, this code is working. So minimum deposit is for $40. The bonus is 85% and we will get $34, guys. So if we deposit, for example, $100, we will get $85 bonus, guys. And this is important. It requires turnover, guys, $4,250 for $100. Then if you agree to these terms, you can click the activate button right here and you need to deposit money, guys. So in my case, I need to deposit $100 and I will get $85. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.